All right, guys, we're back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. Today I'm gonna try out a vegan chicken salad sandwich from Lento Market. We've done vegan burgers, vegan chicken nuggets, vegan hot dogs, vegan seafood. Now we're gonna do a vegan chicken salad sandwich. Let's see how it compares to the original. All right, guys, first impressions. I like the toasted sourdough bread, nice touch. Now, I'm interested, this chicken salad is kind of chunky. Usually in a chicken salad, it's blended together, a lot of mayo, this and that. I'm seeing chunks of chicken here. You got tomato, lettuce. Aesthetically, it looks nice. It's a big sandwich, it looks filling. See how it tastes, though. Lento is tricky. They pulled some black magic on this one. They pulled some trickery. Yo, this right here, this Lento vegan chicken salad sandwich is fire. I cannot get over the texture. This is by far the most accurate texture I've tried of any vegan chicken option. There's even a little charring on the top of the vegan chicken. It really looks like a piece of regular chicken thrown on the grill. A lot of these options, you kind of, like if I squint, it looks like chicken maybe. The chicken is firm. It feels like real chicken. It looks like real chicken. The taste, lights out, seasoned well, savory, zesty. You got all these vegetables in here that make it crispy, refreshing. You've got the nice toasted sourdough. I might throw a little picnic. Tell everyone I'm bringing chicken salad and bring this, and see who can tell. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in next week for another episode. Thanks again, guys.